Hello, y'all. So, as promised in our little AP review call yesterday, I wanted to go ahead and make this little meditation video with y'all. I promise I'm gonna try to make it quick. Proctors, I'm sorry if this goes over 2 or 3 minutes. But I find it important to go ahead and just practice meditation and mindfulness, especially before going into something that could be anxiety inducing for some of us. So I'm going to go ahead and lead us in this meditation. If you are not a fan of meditation, prayer, mindfulness, and whatnot, please just try to respect those around you because I'm sure there is somebody in your room who needs this right now. So if you don't care to do this, feel free to put your head down. I promise I won't judge you. Nobody in the room should judge you. But I do encourage y'all to either meditate with me, use this time to pray if you are spiritual or religious, so that when you go into taking this exam, you are not all stressed out and you can relieve some of that anxiety that some of y'all might be feeling. So I like to go ahead and play crystal singing bowl music while I meditate. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it up on my TV because I can't play it while I am recording. And teachers, if y'all don't mind shutting off the lights, if you don't feel comfortable shutting off the lights, that's completely fine. Students, go ahead and close your eyes, or at least just focus on something that you can just focus on, I guess. I don't know. So we're going to go ahead and close our eyes and start by taking one deep breath in and release. Now we're going to take another deep breath in, but when you take this deep breath in, go ahead and breathe in all of this good energy and all of these good vibes. And go ahead and release any negative thoughts you might have about APUSH, this APUSH exam, about school. Now we're going to take another deep breath in. And while we're breathing in, just think about how dope and amazing and how smart you all are. And release these thoughts that you might have about you not being able to pass this exam because, you have the dopest teacher ever. So, come on now. And another breath in, again reminding yourself that you are the one. You will get a 4 or 5, preferably a 4. And release these negative thoughts about, oh my gosh, I have not written in so long. How am I going to do a written exam and write these DBQs? And another deep breath in. And release. We're going to do a few more. Go ahead and take another breath in, again ingesting all of this positive energy in the room, and think about how much you love your peers and how amazing they are. And release negative thoughts about, is my friend going to do better than I will? Will I pass? Oh my gosh, what's going to happen to my APUSH grade? Because that doesn't matter. And last deep breath in, and while you take this deep breath in, think about how dope and amazing and how beautiful your APUSH teacher is. Oh my gosh, she's amazing. And release these thoughts about, oh my god, this lady is weird. Why does she have us meditating? She needs some help. She doesn't. She's dope. And when you feel comfortable, slowly start opening your eyes. Don't we feel better? Like, wasn't that it? Huh? Meditation? Yeah. So again, you guys are going to do amazing. I wish I was able to be in the room with y'all, but thank God I'm not, because y'all know I'd be dropping hints here and there. So you guys are going to do great. Honestly, don't stress out over whether you're going to pass or fail. Like, if you fail, it's really not that deep. It's not going to hurt your APUSH grade. Like, you'll be fine. You'll still graduate. Like, literally passing this exam is just so that you can get credit in a college history course. Just the fact that y'all made it through APUSH during this pandemic is amazing. So I love y'all. Y'all are going to do great. Try your best. Don't stress out. And send each other some good vibes before y'all take this test.